This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick cornbread. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget a half teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, grab 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil or melted butter. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until they are fully combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, lightly beat your egg, then stir in the milk and oil. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir gently with a spoon or spatula until just moistened. Overmixing can make cornbread tough. It's time to bake. Lightly grease an 8-inch square baking pan or a 9-inch cast iron skillet. Pour your cornbread batter evenly into the prepared pan. Place it into your preheated 400 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. The cornbread is ready when the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let your delicious cornbread cool in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes. This makes it easier to slice and prevents it from crumbling. Cut it into squares or wedges and serve warm. It's fantastic with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside a hearty bowl of chili or soup. Enjoy your homemade, quick cornbread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.